Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Razer headset supports Xbox One S and that it's charged. This prevents interruptions. Once done, power on the console and sign into your profile so the system recognizes new peripherals. Next, navigate to Settings, then Devices and Accessories to prepare for pairing. Make sure the headset is in pairing mode per Razer instructions. Some models require holding the power button for several seconds. You're now ready to connect. Proceed with the console-side device discovery steps. Next, choose the correct connection method: Bluetooth for controller-linked headsets or the 2.4 GHz wireless adapter for dedicated dongles. Cables use the 3.5 mm jack on compatible controllers. Once the headset is discoverable, select it from the Xbox device list and accept any pairing prompts. No code is usually required for Xbox pairings. After the link is established, go to Audio Output and set the headset as the output and headset chat device. Then fine-tune volume and mic monitoring so chat and game. Finally, test both game audio and voice chat by joining a party or launching a game. This confirms the mic and stereo channels are working. If you encounter problems, connect the headset or adapter to a PC and update firmware with Razer Synapse, then retry pairing. Firmware often fixes compatibility bugs. Make sure to restart the Xbox and the headset if audio stutters, and repair the device if it drops. One key troubleshooting tip: check the controller firmware and batteries, since low power or old firmware commonly causes disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.